Hi, this is a tutorial for you to learn how to build a website for your senior capstone project. It's going to be a Google site, so you're going to go to your Portland Public Schools account and you're going to go to the drive and you're going to go to New, and from New you're going to slide down and find Google Sites. Google Sites is going to open up and this is going to be your home page. So this will be the title of your project. I will title this, how about template for senior capstones? And I can change this, the header. I have choices with that. Large, title only, don't like that. I'll go with banner. You can also change the background image if you have something on your computer, or if you want to go to the gallery or to a search on the Google so you have copyright free pictures. How about building a website? Let's see what we have. Building a website. I'll try that. Okay. You also can change the font of your, like the theme of your website. You can go to themes and this will change the font, change kind of what it looks like. Aristotle, Diplomat, you can play around with this. So again, this is just the template and you have some freedom in making it, personalizing it. You'll also need to title your site so that you can find it in your Google Drive. I'll again title it just template for senior capstones. Okay, so on my home page, this will be where maybe you put a picture of yourself. Maybe you write a little bit about yourself and why you're choosing, you chose this project. Let's move over to the pages, because this will be the structure of the website. Of course, you're going to have your home page and where you'll talk about yourself, and then you need to have a page that has describe the issue. This will be where you put all your research. Now, under describe the issue, you want to think about your issue in terms of a local problem, or a regional problem, and a global problem. So it might be that you add subpages, local, and subpage of, create a subpage, regional, and you describe the issue on a global level. Okay, so that adds, so when you look at describing the issue, you have it local, regional, global. Okay, other pages that you need to add. You need to have a formulate a plan page, and that will be where you add your communications, the logistics of the plan. You need to have a page that talks about the perspectives. Understanding perspectives, recognizing perspectives is pretty important. Your perspectives and perspectives of others. It might be that this is where you also add interviews. And you are going to need the take action. This is the actual project itself. Maybe pictures from the actual project, video, maybe something from the newspaper, whatever it is that you've done. And because when you're describing the issue, you're going to be doing a lot of research. You want to make sure that you have a proper works cited page. Okay, so those are the pages that you have to have as part of your website. Let's go back to the home. Let's go back to home and just sort of play around a little bit with how you can add things to your page. So go to insert. Let's look at insert. I can add a text box. This is where I'm going to describe myself. You can talk. Maybe you have a picture. You could add an image of yourself there, or of somebody else. I'll just add a person. Let's just see. Oh my. Look at all the people. All right, I'll just add that one. Okay, that's not really myself. We can embed websites from the web. I would like to have people look at examples of other Capstone websites. So I'm going to go to the web and find an example. These are examples of capstones from Austin, Texas. They have some great capstone experiences. Okay, but I don't really like how it says Spring 2016 AGS Capstone. So I'm going to change that, and I'll just write capstone examples. Capstone examples from other schools. So you can go and look at that. And it might be that you're adding websites of maybe your own personal website. I really don't like that picture. I'm going to get rid of that. Okay. Other things that you could add to any of these pages, you could add maybe a video from YouTube. I think this is sort of cool. What if I looked for Million Meals Maine? Let's see if that brings anything up. Yep. So this was a really big project that we did, and great take action project. So maybe I want to add an example, of that. So that's just showing you how you can add a YouTube video. It might be you want to add a map or a calendar, Google Docs, slides. Maybe you have some type of a Google slideshow that you had to present. Maybe you went to the city council and you presented it, and you wanted to add that to your Take Action project page. You could add that. Let's just say that I add mind map. So I'm going to insert that. I'm just making some examples here. Okay, so here's the front page. This can be added to any of the pages that you have. This is a start. Let's just see again. I can just look. If you go up to preview, you can sort of see what. It's a little bit messy, but I'm just giving you an idea of what you can do. It's very neat that everything is right up here. My tabs are right up here. So when I go to look at your websites, I can see that, oh, they've got the tabs, and then I can go into each page and see all the amazing work that you've done. So that's that. We'll definitely be talking more and working more on this website, as this is a major part of your project, and hopefully this will be something that you really feel proud of, and potentially it will be even something you could use for college application, or who knows, all sorts of opportunities. Good luck.